Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our Air 4 double flat door today. This is one of our best-selling doors. This is a true divide door, which means each piece of glass has been individually cut and put into a divided section. So this is a piece of metal that the glass sits on. This is not a one piece of glass with these metal pieces stuck onto the glass. A big difference, especially when you're trying to clean your door. You're not going to have drip marks coming through like some of those guys that stick it on. A big, humongous difference. We have this door in different styles. We have it in single, we have it in double. We've made them we do a lot of windows like this also. We can do this in pivot, all different kinds of mechanisms if you like. This door swings out, more of a patio door setup. So you have it outside, you can open them up to the outside. We also make them to open inside. Amazing door. We've used this product numerous times. You can see this product a lot on our Instagram. We use this a lot. A lot of people tag us in this. As you can see, it's simple, beautiful, timeless. It'll never go out of style. And that is the reason why all those old fat metal or any old downtown factory that has metal windows are still desirable, and people love those things because it's just a timeless design and they never go out of style. And it looks beautiful. You get a lot of light in, amazing light in. This is all low-E dual pane glass, so it blocks all the UV rays, so your furniture doesn't change color, your flooring doesn't change color. Humongous. You let all that light in, all your furniture is going to get destroyed, unless if you have a low-E glass. Then it's dual ply to keep the heat out on summer days. But yeah, I'm going to flip this around, show you guys the other side of this. All right, so we're on the back side of this Air 4 double flat door. Now keep in mind why you're seeing this is because this is an out swing door. So if it was an in swing door, this setback you'll see on the front of the door. Then we'll come in and show you guys how these bevels are. This is what we use to actually lock the glass in. And also we use hurricane silicone to put it in. This is an amazing feature. We love this. We went through hell getting this stuff put in, but it's an amazing feature that we have on this, and it really adds a lot of quality to it. It looks amazing. It looks a lot more expensive than what you guys are paying for it. So on the Air 4s, or on any of our doors, how they're measured from outside to outside dimensions. So from outside of this to outside of this, it measures exactly 72 inches. And then all the way from the bottom of the threshold to the top of the frame, it measures 96 inches. Our measurements are always the outside measurements. So your rough opening, we always ask, is at the very least ½ an inch larger on each side, or we prefer an inch so you have a little bit of room. If your flooring is not level, you can adjust it to make sure that the doors on top are level, which you'll get all the instructions once you purchase the door. The Air 4s do come in different glass options if you like. So if you need more privacy, we have frost, we have all kinds of different glass. You can check those out on the website. Also, if you like this in a different color, it is also an option for custom ordering. We can do these in different colors that we offer. Hope you guys like this, and if you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.